it's your girl A coming at you guys today with a wig review on a wig that I purchased from elevatestyles.com. Of course, I will leave all purchase links down below in the description box. So I'm actually going to be trying another butter lace unit again. I have butter unit 4 in the color number 1. Y'all already know about these wigs. They are synthetic, heat safe up to 400 degrees, come with HD lace. Yeah, that's about it. And y'all know this is a lace parted wig. You can't part it anywhere else. With this particular style, I don't even think you can even shift it because the way it's cut. But it does come with, they say the hairline is pre-plucked and things like that. So we gonna see. So I wanted to get her in a number 2 or either like the golden brown, but they were all out of stock by the time I was able to get to the website and purchase it, which I was kind of bummed about. But you know, I don't mind, you know, messing with the number 1. I haven't done a really super dark wig in a while, so I was like, okay, fine, we can deal with it. So here is the unit. As you guys can see, she is super curly. I done got something in there. She's super duper curly, as you guys can see. Let me throw it back here. She is going to be a left side part, so your parting is going to be on the left with your bang flowing to the right. She has 3 combs, 2 combs in the front, comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Here is that hairline. It is pre-plucked. I will say that it is pre-plucked. And let's see how she fits on. Hold on one moment. My mic is getting tangled in the hair. So let's see. She is pretty stretchy. I do know that with this particular lace, you have to be really careful or else it will rip. However, the first unit I had, which was unit number 1, I was being as careful as possible and it still ripped. I don't know if I got a raggedy unit or what, but yeah. Unit 1, I was not a fan of. Unit 1 was trash to me. I did review Unit 3 in a bright, bold red color, and I love the red. I love the curls. I just didn't like the cap. And if they get this cap together, oh, we will be the best of friends. So we're going to try her on and see what she looks like. I'm going to insert these combs in just to get a better fit. Now, I do know I'm probably am going to have to glue this down because of the way the cap is constructed. So I can't wear it glueless, but that's okay. There's the hairline. The hairline is really nice on this. I can't really, I can't complain about the hairline. And the lace seems to be blending in a lot better, as you guys can see. It's blending in a whole lot better. So let me give you a little 360. Y'all probably hear everything because this mic picks up everything. So y'all probably are hearing my sandals scraping the ground. She's really full, super duper curly and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is, off camera, I'm going to cut the lace off. I'm going to apply the wig with this, and then I'm going to you know, I may do some baby hairs, I may not. Y'all know me. Me and baby hairs, we don't go well together, but I can swoop the hell out of some damn hair along the hairline, okay? I can swoop. I can't do baby hairs. But I'm going to use the ORS Olive Oil Fix It Grip gel just to adhere this wig down, and then we gonna see what we working with, because I do kind of want to wet her too, just to tame her down some, because she is super duper big and curly. But I like her curls. She has a really good texture on her. As you guys can see, the texture is really nice. I like the cut. It's like an asymmetrical bob. So we gonna see what we working with. All right, so just give me one moment, okay, dolls?
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, for me yard, say me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
I'm done with Unit 4, but before I get into Unit 4, definitely follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm Aya All Day on both platforms. Share this video. Please share this video. Check out my other video as well before this one on the 13x7 Zuri Ritz wig. Check that video out. But yes, definitely share this video. I don't mind you sharing. Sharing is caring. All right, dolls. So let's get into Unit 4. Once again, this is her stock card. As you guys can see, she is going to be a short curly bob unit. That's going to be no muss, no fuss. All I did was apply some water to her, finger comb her out. I honestly wouldn't even, for me and my preference, I wouldn't even apply like mousse or anything to this wig. I would just continue to apply some good old tap water and, spray her down just to get her tamed or whatever. And then look at these results. You can't tell me that this is a synthetic wig. Even though it's not a human hair blend, it looks pretty natural. And I'm going to show you guys my human hair wig. Hold on. This is my Brazilian curly human hair wig. It's all fluffed out. I don't have any product in it. I just fluffed it out because I was wearing it the other day. But do y'all see that? It is giving, this synthetic wig is giving me some human hair tease. And this is Brazilian curly. And this is my favorite human hair wig, by the way. But anyway, this is Brazilian curly. And look how it's mimicking my Brazilian curly. Not to a T, but it's definitely giving some tease, okay? So if you're looking for a human hair tease on a budget and you want a cute little cut with some curls in it, definitely check this one out. I really honestly like this wig. My only con for this wig is I do not like the cap construction, and you guys already know that I don't like the cap construction for the butter lace units, but overall I do like this wig. The hairline does come pre-plucked. Y'all already know I added some swoops right here and right here, as you guys can see. And that hairline is really, really nice, as you guys can see. I just added some of my gel to the front just to, make it look a little bit more natural. But overall, I do like this wig. Y'all know me. I'm a sucker for curls. So y'all already know I'm here for this. I really would like this wig in a number 2 in the golden brown color. I'm so excited to see who purchased the golden brown color, because by the time I got to the site, all the colors were sold out except for this number 1. So I was like, let me go ahead and jump on it because I really do want this wig. So I'm super duper excited about this one. Definitely let me know what you like about this wig on me. Comment down below, would you purchase this wig? So I'm going to go ahead and go. Let's kiki it up in the comments. Once again, follow me, Facebook, Instagram, Aya All Day on both platforms. And I will talk to you dolls later. Bye.